Oh shit. So I ordered this from a Toyota dealership in Richmond, Virginia. Boom. OEM downturned exhaust tube. Get this on the truck. Yep, so we got this TRD exhaust. Install's pretty easy, so I could have ordered the 6th element one or the NiTop one, or there's a few other ones, but I got this for $130 something shipped, so bolts are loosened. I got the hanger thing disconnected. Let's get rid of this thing. See if I can pull it out. I just gotta see if I can fish it out with. All right, lowered the spare. Let's see if we can get it out. Guys, if you're wondering if you can take this fucker out, yeah, you can. So yeah, we're going from this to this. All right, we did it. There she is. A lot more clearance, save some weight. Super easy, except I'm laying on the fucking ground, but pretty fun. Oh yeah, so much cleaner. Look at all that, and if I take the spare out, it's gonna be super clean under there. Yeah, it looks so much better. But let's throw this thing out. I don't give a shit about what the truck sounds like, but let's hear the startup. All right, we are back. Gang's here. And we're back on Bulldog Canyon. So, gonna try to do the whole trail to this like other entrance, so we'll see. What do you guys air down to? I try not to go too extreme because I don't want to fill them back up. All right, let's rip this. kind of follow me up this. Just follow. Well, we made it here way further than last time. Truck's doing great. I'm kind of stuck here. I don't know about this. Got this big, like, knee-high step-up thing. Got this rutted out shit. I just don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Look at this shit. Basically a big hole. I just don't trust it, man. Not on a brand new truck. All right, so yeah, I guess that's where I draw the line when I start to, I mean, I don't even have a fucking engine skid, so I'm just not gonna mess around with that. Buddy, what do you think? Should we try it? I mean, we probably could, you know, split it right here, but I don't know. I don't want to get in that mindset of like, oh, just fuck it. Just fucking send it, because I don't know. It's just not a good mindset when you have a brand new car. I mean, I'm trying to balance this thing between, you know, taking it out here and using it what it's made for, but also not destroying it, because it's also my daily driver. So, but I mean, come on, the thing is made to be out here, and it handles so well right out of the box. You just need tires. Ready to go? All right, you know we had to take the ball break. Okay, let me see. It's kind of close. Didn't get me though. This is why you get a Tacoma, because it can fit in like these little chutes. The wheelbase. Beautiful view. We're up here again. And yeah, we're just still going. That's a sweet angle, huh? Look at it. In its natural habitat. Loving the truck. What do you think, guys? Should I lift it? I mean, I'm all for better ride quality. I don't necessarily want to lift it up too much and raise the center of gravity, and you know, you run into other issues. But I don't know, like I really like it the way it is, but it could use a better ride, better at soaking up small bumps and cracks and stuff in the road would be nice. But I love this truck, guys. Ooh, look at that flex. Look at that droop. Look, all wheels touching. You guys asked about rubbing. Yeah, we're not rubbing. We don't rub. Look at that. Stuffed. There you go. Little full flex for you guys. I don't think. Alright, Aaron back up here. Alright guys. Aaron back up. And then we're getting out of here. Look at the horses. Yeah guys, this thing's super easy. New exhaust properly broken in. All right guys, another good day with the truck, another good day on the trail. Got another piece to the build, so yeah, stay tuned and subscribe.